Welcome to Bhavna's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make scored baked potatoes. To me personally, scored baked potato gives amazing look than just a regular baked potato. So if you have some little get together or party, the scored potatoes can be your appetizer or side dish. So let's get started. Wash potato really well, cut into half, and then score halfway through or little more than halfway through, but not all the way. You can score however you like the shape. You can simply do the way I'm doing, or you can cut one more time like this, and then you can get the nice pattern. So totally your preference. Instead of serving just a regular baked potato, scored baked potato will get your party excited or your little get together funful. Brush potato with butter or oil. Season with salt and pepper. And arrange the potatoes into the baking tray. The side that we season, put it down, facing down first, and brush the other side with butter or oil as well. Again, season the other side with salt and pepper as well. And today I'm testing out actually 10-in-1 air fryer dehydrator from BonsenKitchen. I kind of like it because it's just a perfect size, and as I said earlier, it offers many functionality. It has some preset functionality as well, or you can just choose the manual option to set the air fryer. So let's see how it works for us today. And ready to air fry. Here I have the 10-in-1 air fryer. This 10-in-1 air fryer comes with some preset functions, or you can choose manual. So just turn it on, and by default it comes with the 100 degrees Fahrenheit and for 1 minute. And you can just change the temperature from button up here and just turn the knob, and then there is a time set. Again, turn the knob to change the time. For the manual functions, just press menu and then just turn the knob, and it will come with the different functionality like pizza, vegetables, skewers. There are some chips also. There is the option if you want. On the handle of the air fryer you can already see some of the function like popcorn proof, that means like for the pizza or like bread dough proof, wings, defrost, dehydrate, toast, cake, cookies, and keep warm. So this air fryer is 10-in-1 air fryer. So place the tray on the middle rack, and I'm going to use manual setup. So for the temperature, press and then change using the knob, 350 Fahrenheit, and the time I'm going to set for 30 minutes for now. Alright, so 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and turn it on. The air fryer came with many other accessories as well for roasteries, and here is for toasting bread or anything that you wanna, like when you air fry, especially this is the perfect tray to air fry many stuff. The rack like this, and also the baking tray, so the one that's already baking the potatoes in. So if you would like to know more details about this air fryer, you can check out the link under this video description. Potato has been baking for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes take them out, and I'm going to flip now on the other side. Potato may break if you have cut all the way like this, so just be careful not to cut all the way through. And now season with paprika powder or chili powder, whatever you want to use, cayenne pepper, even garlic powder. And ready to go back into the air fryer, and this time I'm going to set the air fryer for 15 minutes. I want that the top like nice and crunchy a little bit, so I'm going to choose manual. 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so the potato finished 15 more minutes and ready to take out. And I can see the little golden brown color. That's just perfect crust that you want on the top of the potato, the scored potato. I also like to sprinkle parsley on top before serving. So in my opinion, this gadget is working really good. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen and Living is almost everywhere. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen apps totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire, YouTube app itself if you have a smart TV. Thanks for watching and see you soon.